how to import brushes into Clip Studio Paint. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can import brushes into Clip Studio Paint. So to get started, first download Clip Studio Paint from the Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store for iOS. Once installed, open the app. On launch, you'll see the pricing plans. It costs 150 PKR per month. But don't worry, you can try it for free by tapping the first blue button that says Try for free. This gives you 30 hours of free use without ads. Once inside, you'll notice Clip Studio Paint's beautiful interface. At the bottom, there are 5 options. Tap on the middle one labeled Draw, highlighted in blue. From there, tap Custom Size and hit Create Canvas to start a new project. Now you'll be on a blank canvas. To access brushes, tap the brush icon at the bottom center and a menu will pop up with a variety of brushes. To import new brushes, tap the plus button and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Recommended Brushes, which will open a palette full of available brushes. Choose any brush you like and tap Download. However, you'll need to sign up or log in with your Google account first. Once you do, the brush will be automatically imported into your canvas ready for use. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.